In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to use the basic if function in Microsoft Excel. If function is an amazing function of Microsoft Excel. Many things can be done by using this function. So let's begin the topic. Here is a Microsoft Excel workbook. I have inserted some data and the name and the serial number and the mark and the comment, actually the pass and fail. Here you can see pass 33 or above and the fail below 33. This is the name Noah Oliver and this is the mark of their exam. I will input the basic if function here, but before that let me introduce the if function. What is actually the if function? Let me insert equal, click on if and start the first bracket. The logical test. What is the logical test? Logical test is something that equal to or greater than equal to, such as let me clear it. Here is 20 and again let me write if the logical test if this cell is equal 20. I have inserted the comma. If the logical test is true, value if true, I will just input 1. And if the logical test is false, I will just input 0 and close the bracket and let me hit enter. Here 20, so here you will see the logical test H6 is equal 20. This is the true logic, and the value if true it shows 1 and value if false it shows 0. If I write 25, it will show 0 because the logical test is false. So now we can use the if function here to comment the pass or fail. I can easily write pass, fail, but if my data is more bigger, it will take much time to input pass or fail. So what I have to do actually, let me click equal if, let me hit the first bracket, the logical test if this cell is less than or equal 33, actually this logic below 33. If the logic is below 33, let me, if I want to write some text, I have to input the double inverted comma. So value if true, fail. So if the logic is true, it will show fail. Let me insert the comma. Value if false. If the logic is false, I have to write pass and again click on double inverted comma and let me close the bracket. If I click on enter 38, so let me explain it again. If the value of this cell is less than or equal to, actually less than, not equal, because below 33 will be fail. So let me remove it. If the value of this cell is below 33, it will show fail. And if the logical test is false, it will show pass. So let me click on OK. If I write here 33, it will show pass. If I click on 32, it will show fail. It shows the red color. What I have done here, I will show it. So 33, and if I fill it down, fail, fail, fail. And if I click here 34, it will show pass. 32 fail. So what is the reason the fail cell is highlighted? Let me select all of this cell, go to conditional formatting, go to highlight cell rules, go to text that contain. If I write here pass and go to here, click on custom format and go to fill. If I click this color, click on OK. Click on OK, then it will show the green color, and similarly I have done the red color. So here you can use the conditional formatting as well as the if function easily. Hope this video is helpful to you. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to share. Thank you.